we're going to give you a little bit of the basics in terms of, what is gender diversity? What do we know in terms of the numbers? How many people struggle with incongruence or find themselves identifying as trans? Then Michael is going to tell us a little bit more about masculinity and femininity and how it lives within our societies. And Sky is going to give us a really interesting presentation of what is the history of gender diversity, how and when have trans people existed across time and culture. Then, as it is an introduction of, what is the work as a gender specialist, we also thought it was very important that you think about your own gender identity during this time and that you reflect on your own experiences. What is that like? What is it to be a man, a woman, a non-binary person in our societies? And so we'll do that in this section, and we'll encourage you to share amongst each other. And lastly, we're going to give you 3 clinical cases that we've worked, each one of us, and what's come up for us in terms of gender work, and maybe is a few keys for you on your own clinical practice.